Okay everyone, so now in this next exercise, I just want to run you through on how to move files using the move command in the command prompt. So we do have here move one folder inside of our documents folder, and I'm just going to move inside of that, or I'm going to go and check out what's inside of those folder or that folder. And we have here move one exercise.txt inside of the move one folder 1. So this will be allowing us to move the folders, or the folder move one folder 1 inside of the move one folder 2 that doesn't have any content. So let's first try to list down. I'm going to use the dir here, and one other thing that is going to be most commonly useful, a flag or a switch that you can try to implement or use together with the dir command, is the dir/b. And if I type move 1, I'm going to have the tab key autocomplete. You would see it will be listing down. It will not be adding, or it will not be outputting or displaying the other information that we have here, but instead it just allowed us to view all of the content of the move one folder, which are the following: move one folder 1, move one folder 2. Okay, and now I would want to go to cd move 1. Inside of that, I'm going to display the dir here. Let me just clear that. Now we have move one folder 1, move one folder 2, and I would want to go, and because they are both in the same directory, I'm just going to use the move command. Then I'm going to specify the folder that I want to move, folder 1, and then I would want to go and place it inside of the move 1 folder 2. So I am using the move command. I have specified the move one folder 1, and I want this is going to be the source path, or let's say this is going to be our directory that we would want to move to the destination path, which is the move one folder 2, as we can see here. Okay, so this doesn't have any content. Let's see if what will happen if we try to run this. So we can see now that one directory has been moved inside of the move one folder 2 that will also contain the content. So in our other lesson, when we use the xcopy command, we only move the folder structure, but now we were able to move, or we were able to copy the folder structure. In this case, we move all of the contents to the move one folder 2 folder here. Okay, so that's one way of you being able to move folders inside of the command prompt. Now everyone, let's go and try to move this move one folder 2 that we moved to our documents move to folder using an absolute path. So we can also do absolute path here. So let's say I'm going to first go to move 1, and I would want to again dir/p move one folder 2. So we have the move one folder 1 inside of that also. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the move command. I'm going to specify the move one folder 2, and I would want to specify an absolute path and move that to users, i.e. user documents. And I know that there's a move 2 folder, which is this folder that doesn't have any content, and that is where we want to move the move 1 folder 2 directory. So let's go and try to run this. So again, we have the move command, we have the move 1 folder 2, which is located in our move 1 folder, as you can see here, and we want to move that here in this directory using a full path or absolute path that we have here, which is the C users, i.e. user documents, and then move to folder, which is the destination path. So this is the current folder that we are in, and we have the source path, or the source folder that we want to move to this destination folder. Okay, the move to. So if I go and press this, it says one directories or directory move to move to. And if we go back to our move1 directory here, now we can see that the folder has been moved to our move2 folder.